Alright, what's up guys? Back with another video, another LED video, LASFIT LED bulbs. You guys know I fuck with them. I already opened them. Like I said, LASFIT 3157s. I'll post a link in the description. Today, I'm going to be replacing the reverse lights. I'm going to change one out and then put it in reverse so you can see what it looks like. A before and after, one on each side. And these are super simple to do. These are only like, I want to say like 17 bucks or something like that. I'll post a link in the description. As always, if you are going to order bulbs, any kind of LASFIT, click the link in the description. It'll take you to this set of bulbs, but then it'll help you find the other ones a lot easier. As always, like, comment, subscribe. At least make sure you subscribe so all the new videos I post will pop up in your feed. S10s, this is a 2002 Xtreme Blazer, but it works the same on any S10. If you have an S10, you literally just have to drop the tailgate, but since I have the Blazer, you have to open the back window and then drop the tailgate. And then there's two Phillip head screws, one here and one here. You just have to take those out and then your tail light will come out. I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me prop you up and show you the two screws you have to take out though real quick. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it. One here, and then there's one right here. So you're gonna have to pop this off too. So that shouldn't be too bad to get off. Pull that little clip off, and there's a little clip right here. You pull that off, and this will pop off, and then you can get to both those screws. You know what? I probably should show you how to do this too. Bring you in a little closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm literally just putting a screwdriver underneath that. It's going to wiggle this out. This little clip. And this thing will usually come all the way off. This one did not come all the way off. No big deal. Then you can get to both those screws fairly easily. So once you have that out, it should just pop right out. There you go. And the reverse light's where the white light is. Anyways, do the exact same thing to the other side. These just twist out. Push a little tab right here, and they twist out. That's the reverse light. I'm gonna throw these back on Amazon for like $5. But these will be bright as shit, I am sure. That's it. Put them back in, same way you took it out. You'll hear it click. Easy peasy. There's a little tab right here that slides into this little hole. So as long as that's lined up, the rest of it will slide right back together. And that's all it takes to change these. Alright, so I just finished changing them both out. I'll post a link below for the videos. I'm going to shove the light real quick in the garage and put it in reverse so you can see what it actually looks like. But it does make a pretty big difference, and they're a lot whiter than they are yellow or amber color. Anyways, I'm going to put it in reverse so you can see it real quick. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.